fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious viewers. Today, we're about to unlock the secrets of vitamin E, a nutrient that's like a superhero for your muscles. Join us on this journey as we explore how vitamin E plays a vital role in muscle repair and recovery. It's time to flex those muscles and dive into the world of vitamin E. How vitamin E contributes to muscle repair and recovery. You might think of muscles as tough and resilient, but they need a helping hand to recover after a workout. That's where vitamin E swoops in. Antioxidant power. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that combats oxidative stress caused by exercise. This oxidative stress can lead to muscle damage, fatigue, and soreness. Vitamin E helps reduce this damage, speeding up recovery. Anti-inflammatory. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate muscle inflammation, making it easier for your muscles to bounce back from strenuous workouts. Cell membrane protection. Vitamin E protects cell membranes, including those in muscle cells. This safeguarding action ensures that your muscles remain healthy and functional. Scientific evidence supporting vitamin E and muscle health. But don't just take our word for it, science backs the muscle-loving qualities of vitamin E. A study published in the Journal of Exercise Science and Fitness found that vitamin E supplementation reduced muscle damage markers in athletes after intense exercise. Research published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition showed that vitamin E can enhance muscle function and reduce oxidative stress in athletes. The National Institutes of Health recognizes vitamin E as a key nutrient for maintaining muscle health and function. Vitamin E-rich foods. Now, let's talk about where you can find this muscle-repairing superhero in your diet. Nuts, almonds, hazelnuts, and sunflower seeds are packed with vitamin E. Vegetable oils, wheat germ oil, sunflower oil, and safflower oil are rich sources of vitamin E. Leafy greens, spinach and Swiss chard provide a healthy dose of this essential nutrient. Avocado, creamy and delicious. Avocados are another excellent source of vitamin E. Tofu. If you prefer plant-based protein, tofu is a great choice that also supplies vitamin E. Post-workout snack ideas incorporating vitamin E. Nutty smoothie. Blend almond butter, spinach, banana, and a splash of almond milk for a tasty and vitamin E-rich post-workout smoothie. Avocado toast. Top whole grain toast with sliced avocado, a sprinkle of sunflower seeds, and a drizzle of olive oil for a satisfying snack. Tofu salad. Create a tofu salad with spinach, cherry tomatoes, and a dressing made from sunflower oil and lemon juice. Trail mix. Make your trail mix with a mix of nuts, seeds, and a touch of dark chocolate for a post-exercise energy boost. There you have it, fitness enthusiasts. Vitamin E, your muscle's best friend. Remember to include vitamin E-rich foods in your diet and try these delicious post-workout snack ideas to help your muscles recover and stay in top form. Until next time, keep those muscles moving and stay strong.